What if you opened your Stripe account tomorrow and saw thousands of dollars sitting there, but you couldn't withdraw a single cent? No warning, no clear explanation. Just a message saying your funds are on hold for 90 days. And this is not a rare situation. It happens to thousands of online business owners around the world. Hi, I'm Sajjad and welcome to Money Decode. In today's video, we're going to break down one of the most frustrating issues in online payments. Why? Stripe holds your money for up to 90 days. We'll understand what is actually happening behind the scenes, why Stripe does this, and what you can do to avoid getting trapped in this system. Let's get into it. First, you need to understand what Stripe actually is. Stripe is not a bank. It does not store your money like a traditional financial institution. It is a payment processor. It simply moves money from your customer to your bank account. So when Stripe holds your funds, it is not stealing your money. It is acting as a risk control system. The reason for the 90-day period is simple. Most credit card disputes and chargebacks happen within 60 to 120 days after a payment. So Stripe keeps a buffer during this time in case customers request refunds or file disputes. For example, if you run an online business and suddenly earn a large amount of money in a short time, everything may look normal to you. But if customers later complain or dispute transactions, Stripe is responsible for returning that money. So instead of taking risk later, Stripe holds funds early as protection. Now let's talk about something most people don't realize. Stripe uses an automated risk detection system. It constantly analyzes your account activity. If it detects unusual behavior, it can trigger holds or reserves. For example, if your account normally processes small payments and suddenly receives a large spike in transactions, the system may flag it as unusual. Another factor is your industry. Businesses in digital services, drop shipping, subscriptions, or online products are considered higher risk because refunds and disputes are more common. Even chargeback rates matter. A small increase in disputes can push an account into restrictions or delayed payouts. In simple terms, Stripe is not judging your intention. It is reacting to patterns. Now, here is why this feels so frustrating for most people. In many cases, Stripe does not give advance warnings before applying restrictions. This is because the system is automated and designed to react quickly to risk. When something looks unstable, Stripe prioritizes protecting customers and the financial system over convenience for sellers. That can result in payout delays, rolling reserves, or in some cases, a full 90-day hold. From the user's perspective, it feels sudden, but from Stripe's perspective, it is risk prevention at scale. Now let's talk about what you can actually do to reduce the chances of this happening. The first step is to grow your business gradually. Avoid sudden spikes in revenue. Slow and steady growth builds trust in the system. Second, focus on reducing chargebacks. Clear product descriptions, honest communication, and fast customer support all help prevent disputes. Third, always keep your documentation ready. Invoices, identity verification, and proof of delivery should be available if Stripe requests them. Responding quickly can reduce the duration of holds. Fourth, try to maintain a low refund and dispute rate. Businesses with fewer than 1% chargebacks are generally considered safer. And finally, never rely on only one payment processor. Diversify your payment systems so your business is not dependent on a single platform. Here is the most important takeaway. Stripe does not hold money to harm businesses. It holds money to manage risk in a system where fraud and disputes are part of the process. So the key is not to fight the system. The key is to understand it and work with it. To summarize, Stripe uses holds to protect against chargebacks. Sudden changes in your account activity can trigger risk flags, and smart business practices can significantly reduce the chances of restrictions. I'm Sajjad from Money Decode, and remember, understanding money is the first step to controlling it. If this video gave you value, please like this video and subscribe to Money Decode for more deep financial insights. And let me know in the comments if you have ever experienced a payment hold before.